Gold and silver traded with little swings. Yesterday, we have seen gold hitting the lows close to 29.90 92, while silver traded in range trying to trade bullish but failing to break beyond 32. What to expect now from gold and silver today? Can we say that the bears are back in metals? Can we say that we are looking forward to another round of drop today? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. And friends, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently twice a day. Do not miss to press the like button. Let's start. First, on the hourly charts, you can see prices were trading with divergence here. We have seen a convergence towards 20-50 period moving average. Since then, there was bearishness and the resistance from the 20 period. Despite that, it is spiked towards 29.20, the 50 period moving average. So this is the second attempt here towards 50 period moving average, and consistently the moving averages are trading lower, trading bearish. Second thing here to note is the higher low. See, the day before we have seen 2888 levels, and yesterday we have seen 2890-92 zone. And today, now looking at this, see what happened, what is happening here. Lower highs are seen, higher lows are seen. So this is a consolidation zone, which suggests that there is a possibility of a movement all the way towards 2895 levels. And if at all it breaks below 2890, we can see more bearishness. Right now it is under consolidation, and lower highs and higher lows are seen. So this is the first part to it. If you look at the last few candles, you will find 290402 is providing it a little support. So let's wait for it to break below this. The stochastic has come to an oversold zone. The moving averages are crossing over, which is another bearish sign here that after a little retracement, it is now trying to turn bearish. The RSI has dropped as well, though it is trading in a comfortable zone. Coming to 2 hour charts, what's happening on the 2 hour chart? See, first of all, after a long time, the gold on moving averages on the gold has crossed over, and this is a bearish cross, and this appears that it might continue here for a while. What's happening now in gold is, look at twin peak. It has got the resistance intact at the 20-50 period moving average zone, and with that as resistance, prices are trading bearish. Look at this almost symmetrical formation. The support levels here at around 290402. Once it breaks below this, you can expect we may see another round of drop all the way towards 2890 to 95. And in fact, once it breaks below 2890, there should be no looking back, because see, once it comes out of this, it may deliver another round of move here. See, this was the first bearish move, this is the consolidation, and once it comes out of this, it may deliver another round of good move. Stochastic has dropped to the oversold zone. MACD trying to cross over for sell. RSI is staying flat near to bottom. On the 3 hour charts, when you look at, see, first bearish candle, I will wait for the second one to continue here, which suggests that it might break 290402, and then possibility of a move towards 2892-95 will increase. But let's wait for it to take a direction. Let's wait for it to take or breach the support levels on the down. Also, the moving averages here on the 20 period has on the 3 hour charts is also crossed over. See, this crossover is very, very important, because this is coming after a long time, almost you can say 8 weeks. See this was the bullish crossover in the beginning of 2025, and since then it has traded extremely bullish. Now this is crossing over. This suggests that the prices may gonna trade bearish for the near term. Possibility exists is strong only and only if we see gold trading about 2922 and then 2930-32. These are the two levels. If gold prices breaks today, you can say this is a reversal, because see, these are the markets. You have to keep an eye on both the sides, and if it breaks either the upside price, certainly the bulls will be back here. The stochastic here is looking downwards. The MACD is consistently trading bearish, looking downwards, and the RSI is also comfortable as of now. Coming to 4 hour, here on the 4 hour charts, an interesting fact, the resistance it is getting from the 20-50 period moving average. Now see, the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. These have not yet crossed over. This is very, very important, because see, these are still trading in green, and now we need to have couple or more bearish candles from here, which will make the 4 hour charts, which will make the moving average on the 4 hour charts also cross over. This suggests that the forthcoming candles are going to trade in red. That is my expectation. Stochastic has retraced. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is comfortable here. Coming to now, when you look at the daily chart, see here you can find out last two candles, finding the support from the 20 period. This is very, very important. Both the candles got the support from 20 period and bounced back. And now again, this is the third attempt. So this, it is possible that today it might breach this. And now the most important support on the downside for gold today is towards 2880-78 zone, and that is the level gold needs to break. If at all it trades below 2880-78, we should wait for the next target at 2860 and 2850 levels. Remember, I've been waiting for gold prices to start retracing since long now, and now see it is consolidated here for long, hitting the highs and now looking downwards. So possibility exists that prices may breach 20 period moving average very, very, very soon. Be mindful of this. The stochastic looking downwards. See, look at MACD. I have told you here itself last 2 to 3 days that this crossover is very, very important. And if you look at the crossover here, you can find out this is coming after a good bull run. Now, this is a waterfall drop which suggests that increasing bearishness, and increasing bearishness like this suggests that the prices are going to head lower. How low? That is what is the question. Is the support if it breaks at around 2880-78. We are looking at 2860, and below that we may see a greater correction here. RSI is also looking downwards. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. Before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First thing is where to buy. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. See, ideally now the buying entry in gold is only if you see it staying above 29.14, 29.12 levels. If you see it staying above this, still I will say this is not yet confirmation of bullishness. It is going to be riskier. Yes, it may fetch you 40 pips towards 29.16, 29.20 at best, and till 29.22 I will say do not treat gold as bullish. Once it breaks beyond 29.22 is where we can expect slight bullishness all the way towards 29.28, 29.30, which I think is going to be very, very difficult for gold to sustain. And yes, if at all it trades beyond 29.30, you can say now the bulls are back. We are looking at 29.42, 44, and in fact to break beyond 29.45, though the probability is low that it is going to move towards that. On the downside, now the selling entry is now at 29.0204 levels, and if you're taking a sell here, I will expect 28.95, 28.92 as the first target zone. This is going to be a very good support zone here, and if this is taken, then we can look forward to 28.88. And if 28.88, 28.90, I will say is going to be very good support here. Below this, I will expect directly 28.78.80 zone. And if 28.78.80 is taken, then 28.60 should be there very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Now, silver on the hourly chart, see, it was trading with a bearishness here. It was trading in the bearish channel. It has retraced here. It has retraced towards the top of the channel. If you connect the highs and the lows, you can see this is an expanding triangle. The lows are far below towards 31 or in fact 30.50. Remember what has happened after this dip. See, after every dip, it is retraces. After every dip, it retraces. And the resistance zone at 32 is pretty clear, pretty strong. Now it has to break beyond 32. That is the only level beyond which you can treat this as bullish. Else we can see a greater resistance is offered here. Now the important thing is the support from 31.60 level. So now if you see silver trading below 31.60, you can initiate a selling entry, but with a caution note till towards 31.40. And once silver trades below 31.40, we can say now this is a breakout, and then we can look forward to in fact 31.20 or 31 levels. Let's have a further look. See, the stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. Bearish sign it is. RSI is also looking downwards. Another bearish sign it is. On the 2-hour chart, see, prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. It is converged here, finding the resistance. It is trying to reverse. Now 31.60 should be one good support. And I will say this complete zone between 31.60 and 40 should be an extremely, extremely strong support for silver for the day. And as long as it respects this zone, you have to be careful with the sells. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD has retraced, trying to cross over for sell. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is also near to bottom. On the 3-hour On the 3 hour charts, you can find out the resistance it has got here around 32, and the price is waited for the 20 period to come down, hitting the zone. Now it is trying to reverse. Now trying to reverse means now it has to deliver a breakout. The breakout suggests that if it trades below 3160, 3140, then we can say that this is a breakout here. What to expect if it trades below 3160, 3140? We will wait for 3120, or in fact lower levels which can take the prices all the way towards 31, or in fact 3050 levels. Be mindful of this. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is almost at bottom, and RSI looking downwards here. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. This crossover here is anyways important. Prices, moving averages are trading with divergence, trading bearish. This is also equally important, and the higher low. So now very important for silver to come out of this, and once it comes out of this, you can say now the bears are taking over and we can look forward to a stronger correction. Remember, first bearish candle, the second one in making, and this could be a bigger one here where we can see lower prices. Stochastic looking downwards, the MACD almost at bottom. It is trying to cross over, not yet crossing over. Remember, when it traded bearish here, it has hit the lows which are far below, and it can continue here, and thus you can say now the bottom who are looking at, you can say it could be a little far from the current levels. RSI looking downwards. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, if you look at here, the 50 period is providing it a little support. See, the day started with lower highs, and now we are waiting for it to break below the higher lows. We are waiting for it to trade below 3160, 3140. Remember what has happened: three straight bearish candles, lower highs and lower lows. Now if you connect the dots here, you will find the lows for the day are now at around 31. Yes, it is trying to form a nice flag after a good bull run, but when you connect here, you will find that 31 is achievable, and 31 should be a greater resistance as well. See, if you connect the lows here, 31 should offer a greater support here. Let's wait. If it breaks below 3140, we can expect the prices to move all the way towards 31. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD, look at the MACD after retracing, crossing over here. I have highlighted this fact yesterday as well. It is trading with divergence. Since then we can expect more bearishness, and the RSI has dropped. So considering this, now the buying position in silver is only recommended if you see it is staying above 32. That is the only level above which you can expect the bulls to take over, and then we can expect it to rise all the way towards 32.2025, or in fact 32.50 levels. Beyond 32.50, 60, it should be 32.80, and if that is taken, you can say now it is a reversal and we are looking forward to a greater rise. On the downside, you can sell here at 3160, but then we have to be cautious, careful, alert as long as 3150 and then 3140. These two levels are not taken. Once silver trades below 3150 and 3140, we can expect prices to move all the way towards 31. Possibility is high that once it breaks below 3140, we can expect increasing bearishness here. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.